Hey, this is Daniel at Nostalgia World. I am putting together these prospect and rookie baseball mystery packs here. I'm going to try and show you how I'm doing this. So, just to kind of make it as fair and as random as possible, I guess. Pretty much, I've got 39 different players. These are all going to be rookie prospect cards. Let's take, for example, right here, Jock Peterson. These here are all Jock Petersons. Prospects, rookies, there's some tops, rookies, Bowman. There's your Bowman your first Bowman Chrome cards, There'll be some refractors in there, and some minor league Topps pro debut. And you may see some elite extra editions somewhere mixed in there. Not a whole lot, but a few. So pretty much what I do first, these are all here. Gonna be like inserts, rookie and prospect inserts from various years. So I just pretty much reach in, pull one out. There's that's Zach Wheeler, trust me, if you can't see it. So, what I do to figure out what the next card is going to be, these are 10 card packs. So one is just me pulling. I've got 4 sorting boxes with 10 slots. Pretty much what I do is I roll a dice. That's a 5. So what I do is take this first box in the top left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is Julio Urias. That's the next card. And then I take the next, and so on. 10. So I'm looking at the second box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jock Peterson. And then the next one here, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going up here. There's 5, 6, 7, 8. Stephen Piscotty. And then next, there's another 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Be Roll Mondesi Jr. And then I just keep going. There's a 5. Would be Julio Urias. And since I have a Julio there, I'm going to re-roll. I'm glad I caught that. There's a 6. So 6 is going to be Mr. Noah Syndergaard. And then I go to the next one. That ends up being a 3. 1, 2, 3. David Dahl. Next. 8. That comes up being Stephen Piscotty again, so I'll re-roll. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr. Jackie Bradley Jr. Next roll, 9. 9 is going to be Anthony Rizzo. That would be 10, 9. Right there. Rizzo. Okay, that leaves me at... Let's see how many cards I've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9. I went through all of these boxes here twice. What I do for the last card is I roll 5 dice, add the numbers up. So we've got 6, 12, 17. So I go, there's 10 here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Addison Russell. And pretty much what I'm going to do is once one of these spots is empty, I move them over and just keep going until they're all gone. I put them in a team bag like this. Team bags, and then I put them in a brown paper bag, staple them up. I kind of want to, I almost want to do this total random, and if you want 1 or 2 of these, put numbers on these bags and do a random as to which bag you get. But I may not do that. That may be too much trouble. Yeah, I think that'd be too much trouble, so I'm not going to do that. But it sounds like a more random idea, because if I number these bags, I'm going to know in my head what's in each one of them. So I may not do that. I may just package all these up and just shuffle them around, throw them in a box, and you pick what you want. Well, that's my process for this undertaking here. It may be a lot. Seems like a lot. But it's better, I think, than, say, someone comes in and buys 5 of these and 4 all have the same players. Because I'm just pulling out, and it's possible that that could end up happening. But with this, the way I'm doing it, it's not very likely. So I guess that's going to be it for now. I will talk to all you guys later. Hopefully I will have these done today and ready for tomorrow. Thanks a lot, guys. I will talk to all y'all later. Come on in and see me. Thanks.